Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to trade Forex on MT5 in Pocket Option. After opening your Pocket Option account, click on the top left trading button and select the Forex MT5 Real Account option. Next, click on the settings icon where you will find the server listed as Trade MT5. Go back and click on Open Real Account. In the last option you will see PO Trade Limited, which we'll use to create our MT5 account. Once the account is set up, open MetaTrader 5 MT5, go to the File menu and select Open an Account. In the company name field, type PO Trade Limited and choose to connect with an existing trade account. Then return to Pocket Option, copy your login credentials and password, and paste them into MT5. Once connected, you'll be ready to start trading directly from MetaTrader 5. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.